Hello, and thank you for purchasing the Bigley Brothers E58 Pro X drone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your drone up and get it ready to fly. To begin, we're going to press the power button on both the drone and the controller. You'll see lights on both begin to blink. This means we're ready to pair. To pair the controller to the drone, simply press up once on the left joystick and then down once on the left joystick. You'll hear a beep, followed by a slightly longer beep. You'll then notice that the lights on both have stopped blinking. This means you're ready to move on to the next step. Open up your Wi-Fi network, connect to the GD89 Max Wi-Fi network, and then open your app. From here, you'll be able to control your drone and its camera. An important note is that after a hard landing, a crash, or if your drone seems to be drifting instead of hovering, you can adjust the pitch by using the buttons located under the joysticks on your controller. Left, right, up, or down. Should adjusting the pitch not work, you can also calibrate the gyro in your drone by placing it on a flat surface and moving both the left and right joysticks into the bottom right corner. The lights will blink, you'll hear a long beep, and then they'll go steady. This means your gyro is recalibrated. If you're still experiencing issues, feel free to reach out to us by emailing support@bigleybrothers.com or calling 1-800-616-4969. Thank you again, and happy flying.